to each and every one of you. How are you all doing on today? I hope you all are doing great. Thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. In today's video, I will be installing this, well, it's not a wig that they sent, but this is hair from Beauty Forever Hair. They sent me their curly hair. I got 4 bundles of 20-inch, and my frontal was an 18-inch, I do believe. I did use only 3 bundles of the 4 bundles that I had. I've been practicing with the sewing machine, so I did make this with the sewing machine. I didn't fit all 4 bundles in that way, but if I wanted to, I can go in and add the 4th bundle if I wanted to, but the hair is really full with 3 bundles, so you don't need it if you don't want to put it in there. I know I love my glueless methods for putting on my wigs because I like to change them very frequently. So I'm using my bed hair hard hairspray to apply my wig. Like, I literally can put my wigs on this way within like 10 minutes, especially when it's already styled and ready to go. Like literally 10 minutes and I'm done. Also, I am using my blow dryer that will be available on my website this upcoming Friday, January 29th, okay? These are my Fancy Gal luxurious blow dryers. You can find them underneath the Hot Tools tab on my website. I will give you all more information in another video on the dryers, but I know I've gotten so many comments, emails, questions about them, like where can you get them. They will be available January 29th on my site, www.alexisjanelle.com. Shameless plug. So for the hair, I did love the hair. I have worn Beauty Forever's hair, and including their curly hair, I've worn it more than once. And the quality is always great. I always like Beauty Forever's hair. The only thing that I did not like with the hair, it was more so the frontal. Some of the knots in the back of the lace was thicker than I liked. I don't really like when the knots are really thick, because when it comes to trying to bleach them and blend them, it can look kind of off. So if the knots could just be more seamless and thinner, that would have been perfecto. But neither here nor there. I love the hair. The hair was great quality. I love the curl pattern. I love the length that the 20 inches was given with this style. So Yeah, Beauty Forever, I always love their hair. It's always quality hair in my opinion. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Big thank you to Beauty Forever Hair for sending me out this hair. I appreciate you all so much. To my subbies, I love y'all and appreciate you all so much. And I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video. I love y'all so much. Bye.